Why is the stock that gets all the volume today HMNY? This makes absolutely no sense. HMNY is just doomed for failure. This company did a reverse split about a week ago to raise its price to over $10 to attract retail investors. They got no retail investors. Actually, they got more short interest on the stock. Now it's back under a dollar. And it got all the attention today. 500,000 shares traded per minute when there was plenty of other stocks that actually had decent news, lower floats, good catalysts, tons of variables that line them up perfectly to be the play of the day. And HMNY gets it. I hope you learned something. I'm going to start recording pre-market just a little bit right now because I'm watching UAVS and I've been watching this stock for a few weeks. It's been on my watch list just for the daily pattern. Look at this daily. The 13 and 50 day moving averages getting squeezed together. And I knew once a PR is going to hit, this thing's probably going to pop up to its 200 day, 442. If not, it's going to still get a good pop. Today they did come out with a PR at 830. Now, I saw that news when it came out. There was a acquisition of another company, which is a pretty hot PR. I do imagine we're going to get some good volume on this stock today. It's just what's a good entry, because normally I don't like to trade pre-market. It's very illiquid. As you can see with the volume, we're getting less than 5,000 shares per minute. Ooh, here's some good entries. Okay, I'm in at 190. I was probably one of the only people to get filled in around that price. But bids were down at 180, but obviously no orders were going through on it. So my order got filled right here at the bottom of this candle at 190. I was down 80 some dollars, but that's just because the bids were low. I'm going to size into this play quite a bit, honestly. So I'm going to be risking probably a couple $100 to make at least double that, 4, 5, 600, maybe even more than that. All right, there's a few stocks I'm interested in. I'll give y'all my game plan. ABIO I'm watching on my watch list on the left side of my screen. I'm looking at that for a 150 short because that's going to be tough resistance. UAVS I'm very interested in. Obviously, I have shares in this. My question is, when am I going to add? I'm interested in adding into this stock. Up $100. It's going to hit tough resistance right here. Oh, wow. 210. Look at all this. Look at all the orders at 210. Holy cow. UAVS had a big pullback right there. I haven't added yet. I think I'm going to add at the break of 210. Might be locking out here with a little profit. Because I think it's going to fall back down for a little bit and then U-shape around. Alright, I had to cut out a little bit on UAVS. HYRE looks pretty good. Break of this VWAP right here. There we go. I didn't pull the trigger on this one though. I just don't want to feel like I'm revenge trading, you know. Just pulling back a little bit right here. I could look for an entry. Okay, I got in at 406. That's right above the VWAP, so that's a pretty decent entry right there. So my exit will be below this VWAP. Basically below, okay. Down 124 bucks. That wasn't a bad entry on it. We're just not seeing any good volume out there today. NAKD doesn't look bad. ABIO I'm interested in a short on. I gotta be careful not to revenge trade. Alright, ABIO is coming up to 125. A lot of upper shadows. It does look like this one's going to be falling some. But we'll see if it holds above the VWAP. NAKD, it looks good. If I'm going to play this, it's going to have to be right around here. Okay, getting in. 623. We got 20,000 shares at 620. Let's see if we're going to get that pop. 20,000 shares at 620. I'm right at the support, so if it cracks, basically this trend that we see right here, 620 is bottom support. Getting out, if it cracks below that, the 20,000 shares just disappeared. It's having some trouble right here. Yep, I'm out. Guys, I think I'm going to call it. Down $158. Today is just not working out. If I can somehow short it, it's not going to give me a short. I see with JMU, okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm not going to get a short. God, that would have been such a freaking good short. The problem with JMU is that SSR was activated on it, short sale restriction. So you can't hit the bid with a short, you actually have to put in a limit order to get your short. I would trade, there's just absolutely nothing to trade. No, I'm not missing a play right now. There's just absolutely nothing. I know a ton of traders post recaps of their trades, but hindsight on recaps is always 20/20. Your hindsight account is you're always going to be a millionaire. I think you're going to learn more watching the lessons that I post and watching my emotions raw in live trading. That's why I'm doing it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. Obviously, today was the day to lock in on UAVS. I didn't lock it in. I thought there was a lot more potential on this play, but today just wasn't the day. Tomorrow starts August, so let's hope and pray that we're going to get some volume, some follow-through momentum, because the market's, man, just been so weak, so much short interest in it. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.